Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW X7 with its key. First, ensure you have your key fob readily available. To unlock just the driver's door, simply press the unlock button on your key fob one time. If you need to open all the doors, including the passenger and rear doors, press the unlock button twice in quick succession. This method provides quick and easy access to your vehicle. Sometimes, the key fob battery might be low, or you prefer a manual approach. To use the physical key, slide the small tab on the side of your key fob to release the hidden metal key. Next, locate the keyhole on the driver's side door handle, often concealed by a small cap. Insert the physical key into this cylinder and turn it clockwise to manually unlock the door. This ensures access even without remote function. For a more convenient experience, your BMW X7 likely features comfort access. With your key fob in your pocket or bag, simply walk up to the driver's door and grasp the handle. The vehicle will automatically detect the key and unlock the door for you. To lock the car, just touch the ribbed area on the door handle. This system makes entry and exit effortless, especially when your hands are full. If you encounter issues, first check your key fob battery. A low battery is a common culprit for remote unlocking problems. Also, be aware of potential signal interference from other electronic devices or strong radio signals that might temporarily block your key fob's communication. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Keeping your BMW X7 accessible should always be straightforward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.